In Islam, daily prayers known as Salah or Salat hold significant importance and are a fundamental pillar of the faith. Observing these prayers regularly brings numerous benefits and spiritual significance that Muslims should be mindful of in their daily lives. Here are 5 compelling reasons why one should be concerned about performing their daily prayers. Number 1. Connection with the divine. Salah serves as a direct link between a believer and their creator, Allah. Engaging in prayers 5 times a day offers a special connection and closeness to Allah, fostering a sense of spirituality and devotion. It's a way to express gratitude, seek guidance, and strengthen the bond with the Almighty. Number 2. Spiritual discipline. Regular prayer instills discipline and structure in one's daily routine. By adhering to fixed prayer times, Fajr, Johar, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha, individuals cultivate a sense of responsibility, time management, and commitment to their faith. This discipline extends beyond prayers and positively impacts various aspects of life. Number 3. Seeking forgiveness and mercy. Through Salah, Muslims seek forgiveness for their shortcomings and sins. Each prayer serves as an opportunity to repent, ask for Allah's mercy, strive for purification of the heart. It's a reminder of human fallibility and the continuous need for divine forgiveness. Number 4. Inner peace and tranquility. Performing Salah offers a moment of the tranquility amid life's chaos. Taking a break from worldly affairs to engage in prayer bring inner peace, calmness, and spiritual rejuvenation. It serves as a sanctuary to seek solace and find strength during challenging times. Number 5. Community and unity. Salah isn't just an individual act, it fosters a sense of unity among Muslims worldwide. Congregational prayers, especially Friday prayers, Jummah, bring the community together, reinforcing bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood. It promotes solidarity and sense of belonging to a larger spiritual family. In summary, being attentive to daily prayers in Islam goes beyond a mere ritual. It's a source of spiritual nourishment, self-discipline, seeking forgiveness, finding inner peace, and fostering community cohesion. It's a practice that shapes the lives of believers, guiding them towards a path of righteousness and closeness to Allah.